Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? So you guys know my granny's at the hospital. Long story short, man, it doesn't look like she's about to be coming home this weekend. Monty knows I've been stressed out thinking about stuff all in my head and everything. So Monty basically was like, man, you know what? Go ahead, get away. I got this. Take some time to yourself. And that's what I'm about to do, man. Last minute trip, getting ready to head to Vegas. Decided to go to LS Fest literally last minute. Bought a plane ticket, didn't have no reservations for nothing. And then, yeah, booked the hotel, booked a car. I was going to have White Aaron pick me up from the airport, but he's over there with Gary King right now. They're over there trying to get this skyline together for LS Fest. I guess he's doing like unveiling and stuff over there. I don't want to say too much about it. If you guys are interested in seeing what's going on, I'm pretty sure Aaron is going to say something about it. And Gary's going to be vlogging himself probably. Don't quote me on that, but I'm assuming, you know, we all do YouTube and stuff together, so I figured they would be doing something. But with all that being said, man, everything's booked for me. LS Fest is tomorrow, so this is my very first time going to LS Fest. I know some of y'all are like, what? You never been to LS Fest? Seeing as how I have a bunch of LS powered boosted cars, I've never been to LS Fest. So Alex has been trying to get me there for, I want to say, the last year and a half or 2 years to go to LS Fest. And here we are today, man. Last minute trip, randomly, I'm going to LS Fest. I just want to have fun, man, and just keep my mind off things. So yeah, rock with your boy. Hopefully you guys are going to enjoy this. We're gonna have a little fun, so let's get into it. Man, why you put my baby in the Majin Buu pants? Your mama got you in the Majin Buu pants? They too big.
They're 6 to 12 months.
You out here looking like an old school hip hop band. Man, look at this. These parachutes, yo. Oh no.
They're comfy.
Majin Buu.
They're comfy.
Bukaya. 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 That's your new name. Your new name gonna be Bukaya. Bukaya hungry. Bukaya turn you to chocolate. Alright, bags already packed. They getting ready to drop me off at the airport.
Kaya says you should have brought me with you, Daddy.
Kai, you wanna go? We can leave Mama here. It can just be me and you.
Fuck you.
I'll see all my babies later. Buy 300ZX. Buy FD. Buy C6. Buy C5. Buy Turborado. Buy 350Z in the garage. Buy Fox Body in the garage.
Where you get to watch the flight attendants show off their mad acting skills.
What in the This is by far the worst traffic I've ever been in my life. Thought LA traffic was bad. Boy, LA ain't got nothing on Vegas. Yo, it literally took me an hour and a half to go 12 miles. Alright, man, I'm almost in my room. Here we go, 72. Man, finally, Jesus. What a mission. Oh, tired. See how high we up. Jeez. I want to get on that Ferris wheel. I'm about to get ready to get ready. Fuck! I'm about to get ready to get. I'm about to get ready. That way we can head out to LS Fest and check out some of these cars. All right, we all ready? Dress for me. It's gonna be hot as hell. And today I ain't playing with no sunburn, so feel me? I got my sombrero on, or farmer's hat, whatever you want to call this thing. Feel me? Rarely ever wear shorts, but we got the leg tats out today. Bam! We got the leg tats out today. You feel me? Newest one is my hyena right here. Feel like Texas Ranger or Kung Lao from Mortal Kombat. Take this motherfucker off and. All right, man. Let's get ready to head out. Well, before I head out, I gotta take a shit real quick. Take a shit, then we gonna head out. Hey, let's go, let's go, let's go. Just do like the movies. How they run and fucking just jump out the window. Fuck it, let's just give it a try. Alright, we just getting here. Now I gotta figure out how the hell do I get inside. Just follow these people. They look like they might know where they're going. Ah, fuck, never mind. They're getting in the car. I'm lost. Alright, the last little steps right here. We go through this tunnel, and then we in this thing. Alright, we finally here. Got Gary Skyline here. I'm pretty sure I'll run into this fool shortly somewhere around here. We got Alex Dunk right here. They got autocross going on right here. Like a nice little grand sport. Slide that thing. Good, bro. Oh, thank you, bro. For sure. It's good. It's good. Oh, thank you, thank you. Yo, what in the? This is crazy. Check this out. That's wild. Ooh, look at this clean F body over here.
Also keep in mind, if you didn't know, you didn't see it on the gram, this thing was stolen a few years ago. Stolen and recovered. All the interior was tore out of it. A bunch of stuff was missing. Is he a cop? He's got the Popo license plate. I didn't know. I didn't get to ask. Does anybody know? Is he a cop? He's got the PD license plates. He does. Oh, he's just trying to hedge his bet. That don't work. Yeah, the get out of jail free license plates. I don't think so. I will bust his ass, I'm just saying. Okay, let's go. Let's see if he can do it.
Malibu wagon. Turbo.
Oh, there's a lot of sticky out there. We already have some smoke. That was lackluster. Alright, we're just gonna pretend that didn't happen. Because I even feel too bad for that. Give him a big round of applause, he tried.
Y'all already know this car. My boy Tony, my evil doppelganger. Damn, ain't no way I'm gonna walk by this. Both of them fucking wet.
Hey, Mike.
Yeah.
I watched a bunch of shit on YouTube, and I've followed you for a long time.
Oh, for sure, bro. It's good. For sure. Clean ass CCSV. Another one. Man, I'm so glad I decided to buy a hat. Look at everybody over here trying to buy hats and stuff now. You can slowly see people turning red. Hella people gonna be having sunburn. Look, he already burnt up. That dude with the green glasses burnt up. Yo, I just peeped this fucking jet ski is LS swap.
You see the turbo in there?
It's a turbo LS in this jet ski? This is one of those, I'm gonna do it for the fuck of it. Nigga, the real definition of LS swap everything. It's my fucking LS swap airplane.
Good, Mike.
What's up with it, bro? $9.9 for the truck. I look like a pair of CTSVs right here getting ready to run. I think it's like the new CT5 probably. Jeez. Gapplebees. Boosted, look, catching me. Sleeper. This truck got a big ass turbo on the front of it. I know y'all hear that. Jeez. 9-1. Fastest pass of the day. Undertaker hearse. Look at that hearse. What the fuck? 8.3 and a fucking hearse. Damn. 8.3 for the hearse. Look who I found.
Well, hello.
Found this fool
Man,
as I was going over here to get some water, and I bought a Powerade. $14 for water and Powerade. Worse than the movie, yeah.
It's all bad.
Gary finally popped the hood on this thing. What's up, nigga with an afro?
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
How you doing, man?
It's water or Gatorade.
No, I thought it was
Semen?
sun hat on.
Yeah, I ain't getting burnt today, boy.
But you got no sleeves on.
So, I got sunscreen on though.
I think it's early, yeah.
No! Who likes Scooby-Doo?
Alright, y'all, I'm just getting back to the room right now. Well, to the hotel, getting ready to go back to my room. About to take a shower. I got freaking tire shit all on my arms and my face, so I'm going here, get cleaned up. Not sure what I'm gonna be doing later today, but I kinda wanna just relax.